The ESP Platinum Series of ducted air conditioners. The fastest cooling and heating, the best comfort, incredibly quiet, and best of all, the most efficient air conditioner on the market. In fact, energy modelling indicates ESP Platinum is up to 75% more efficient compared to conventional ducted systems. You could save up to $900 a year on your power bill. So while some competitors offer a free barbecue with purchase, with ESP Platinum, you could save enough to buy a new barbecue year after year after year after year. ActronAir, the all-Australian company, changing the game with the most advanced residential air conditioner ever made in this country. ESP Platinum.